Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Here I run the command to update the system on Gentoo. It's similar to upgrade or DNF update. It updates all the packages on Gentoo. You're very familiar with this if you use Gentoo, of course, and you find it in the wiki of Gentoo. So here we can see that this non-binary kernel is receiving an update, and I have shown you in a previous video how you update it, but that was without signing and having the kernel module signature enabled. So I'm gonna show you in this video how you can upgrade the kernel when it is having the module signature enabled. I have shown also how to do the module signature and sign in the modules themselves. You can check the cards. So I'm gonna update all the packages, and then I'm gonna come back to you, of course, because you need to do that, and I'm gonna show you how you can upgrade the kernel with the module signature enabled. Okay, check the module signature if you want. This one is going to be a little different because it's about the kernel upgrade and there are some things that you need to do. Alright, so the command of updating all the packages is done running, and it's time to get ready to upgrade the kernel. And remember, this upgrade is with the signed modules enabled. Okay, if you don't have signed modules enabled, you can check the cards for the kernel upgrade on Gentoo, the non-binary one, the source one. This one is going to be like a mixture of signed kernel modules enabling. It's not exactly like this, but it's kind of a mixture of that and the kernel upgrade. Some extra steps. I will do all of them at once. I'm not going to skip any of them for you. So if you have enabled that option on your kernel, this video is going to help you upgrade whenever you need. So first, I always tell you to do this whenever you want to upgrade the kernel. You must have your boot partition mounted. So just run sudo mount your boot partition, in my case dev/dev/sda1, and mount it this way. Okay, we switch to root. First of all, we copy. We see the kernel versions. Why not? Yes, and then we set it to the new one, which is .41 at the end, or number 2. In your case, it can be something different. Just check from this list. If you have run dep clean, dependency clean, emerge -- dep clean, you may not find the old one, and you may find the new one not highlighted. So you highlight it by running eselect kernel set1. It's supposed to be only one, so it's going to be eselect kernel set1. Then we copy the configuration, cp. The method is you have various methods for this. I guess USR, src, Linux, and then -6-1-38 dot, not dash, and then dot. What is the config? Yeah, config. For that, let's check if we have. Let's check if we have in the new one /usr src Linux. It's a symlink actually somehow, something like a symlink. We're not gonna find it, so we need to specify -al to see it because it's with dot at the beginning, which means hidden. Not like this, but list A like this. Yeah, so we don't have the config, so we copy it, cp, so I'm not wrong, usr, src, linux, dash, and so on. This 38.config /usr, src, if I can write it correct, linux, yeah. And then make old config again, yes, cd usr src linux again, made old config. Yeah, so I had to check the wiki, which you can see here already, for the upgrade of the kernel. So we do make old config like this, so I wasn't wrong about it. It's just gonna give us the extra options and select the best, or give us the option to choose, or we can simply press enter and it's gonna select the best options for us. Alright, so next one, make menu config. If you want to check yourself if you have any option not enabled, you run this command to check, and it's the command that you run anytime you want to change any option from your kernel. You know that already, I guess. You have nothing to change already. If you do, make sure you change it. Alright, let's take a look at the signing of the kernel. First of all, we need to check this file if it exists. We make it if it doesn't, because it may not be made if the kernel is upgraded. Yes, you can see that it doesn't exist here. You take this whole thing over here, copy it and paste it here. Save, exit. Yes, so we run this command. Okay. You may wonder, why don't you run make install, or make modules install and make install? Because we have to do this first. Yes, we need to move to search, cd search, and we run it again. Done. Alright, we go back, cd to periods, and then what else we have? Let's run this command, make modules prepare, like this. Alright, so we have the option to run this command first, or we just install the kernel and compile it with the command, which is make space dash this command. As I said to you before, you can specify this number here depending on the number of the threads that you want to use during the compiling process. Okay, press enter. Yes, now it's compiling and signing and so on. Okay, I will keep the signing video of signing the kernel modules in the description or in the cards. You can it can appear anytime. Same thing for the kernel upgrade, and once this is done I will come back to you. So I finished compiling my kernel with the signature enabled. So we run this command just in case. Module rebuild this way. gonna check for purpose, enable that flag. Here you can see sign. The extra steps are 1 or 2, and here you have also automatically signing kernel modules. So this is a script that you can make yourself. I don't know if I made this one or not. I believe I did, but let's check this first. You can do it, you can read about it and do it yourself. Okay, so that's why here, enter. So I rebuilt my kernel modules, and you make the initramfs by running the command dracat. You've seen it in the other video, but we are doing everything all together from the scratch, or like we decided to do everything, but with the kernel signing we do it again. So like this. In my case, I have done it, but I forgot to record it, so it's gonna complain about it. For you, you will get a different output, because I have done this before, and it made, I have already my initramfs ready, and it's working. I got this error, but for you, you have to run this command this way. What is left is running this command, grab mkconfig, as you know, so the new entry of the kernel appears in your grab menu, and you just check if the configuration is successful by rebooting your system and running the apps that you rebuilt their modules. We're gonna do that now. Oh, hold on, sorry. Before you reboot, I proved to you that we are running already the old kernel. In my case, is finishing with 38 here, 6.1.38. Alright, so this is the kernel. I will prove to you also that the kernel modules ls, I'm running the modules of VirtualBox, so I'm gonna prove to you that they are working in the old kernel and that they will work in the new one. This is the kernel modules check-in method, ls-mod, and then this one, the symbol, which means piping, grab VBox. I restart the computer and then I'll come back to you. We're supposed to have here, instead of 6.1.38, 6.1.41. So we have restarted our system, and here is the kernel running. As I said to you, it's .41 at the end, like this. You can see it running already. For the modules, we can check if, for example, VirtualBox modules are running. If they are running, it means that they are signed, and you can see here that they are running. Okay, I guess that's it. So for this video, we upgraded the full kernel, or upgraded the kernel fully and signed them. We have the kernel modules signature or signing enabled in our kernel. You can check in the cards the video of signing them and enabling that in the kernel for Gentoo, the source one, and we have it running already, as we have seen, like this. And here are the kernel modules for VirtualBox. Okay, I hope it's clear. Thanks for watching.